Hi, Vince O'Malley here. Hope you're doing well. Good to have you here. I know if you're watching this video today, you've probably been doing some research on why affiliate marketing doesn't work. I know over the next few minutes, I'm going to go through some of those reasons why people think affiliate marketing doesn't work and other excuses that they come up for not starting their own affiliate marketing business. Now, this YouTube channel that you're watching today is dedicated to people getting started in affiliate marketing, people just like yourselves. Now, if you'd like to consider subscribing, please hit the subscribe button below and let's help grow this channel and help as many people as we can. Also, if you'd like to click the link in the description below the video, you can get access to my 4-day free training series, which has got steps and strategies on how to get started in affiliate marketing. Love to see you in there. So why doesn't affiliate marketing work? Now, generally, this is something put about by people that have tried it for a couple of weeks, got no results, and walked away and quit. Now, got to say that affiliate marketing is not a get-rich-quick scheme. You're not going to find huge riches overnight. It takes time to build your business. You do need to put the effort in. It's all about taking action. Now, there's never been a better time to actually get started in affiliate marketing. The recent global pandemic, which has changed the way the world thinks about shopping dramatically, with now a huge reliance on the internet, with so many people doing their shopping online. And so this is where affiliate marketers can find huge success. Now, I've come across over a period of time, I've come across many reasons or excuses why people don't get started in affiliate marketing. I've heard people say, "Oh, I'm too old. I'd love to, but..." It's all excuses. I've heard people say, "I can't afford it." Well, the truth of it is, can you afford not to start an affiliate marketing business? The income that you can generate from your own online business is actually, or can be, life-changing. Like I said before, it won't necessarily be overnight. It does take time to build a business, but it can be life-changing if you put the effort in and take action. Now, it is easy to put up barriers as to why you can't get started. In fact, I'll tell you a story now. This happened quite recently. I was out with a group of people, and I knew some of them, didn't know a few, and we were all talking about work, what businesses we were in, and obviously I was talking about affiliate marketing, and there were a couple of guys that were quite interested. And after I'd explained the process, what's involved, the one said, "Nah, it's not really for me." He said, I'm not a salesman. I can't sell anything." And I tried to explain to him that it's not really about selling. But I couldn't persuade him. The conversation moved on to something else. We all got talking about food as it happened. So I said to this guy, Bob, I said, "Bob, so tell me what's your favourite restaurant?" And something amazing happened. He started to tell me about this restaurant in a small town near Oxford in England. And he started to talk about the entranceway, how it's quite small and doesn't look much from outside. But as soon as you go in, he said there's a huge pond with large, giant koi carp. In the ceiling, there's live ivy growing through trellis work, and the tables, he said they'd got intricate woodwork covered with a glass top. He said there's light music. The ambience of the place is amazing. The staff are very attentive. Great menu, and the food is to die for, he said. Now, this went on for about 5 minutes talking about this restaurant. And at the end of it, we all wanted to go there. And I said to him, I says, Bob, don't look now, but that is selling. So if if you can talk to somebody, if you can talk to somebody with passion about something that you're interested in, you can give value to customers. Now that it's not about being a salesman. That's not the way affiliate marketing works. It's all about giving value and letting the customer decide if they want to buy a product. Now, affiliate marketing, it's not, if it was easy, everyone would be doing it, but it's not difficult if you have the right training. Let me say that again. It's not difficult if you have the right training. You need to find the right training course that's going to take you step by step, how to build your business, what steps to take, how to do it, what to expect, and show you exactly what you need to be doing. Watching videos on YouTube for hours, you might get some good nuggets of information, but you won't get the full story. You won't be able to build your business just by relying on free YouTube videos. You do have to be prepared to invest in yourself. So I hope you've got some value from this video. If you have, thumbs up would be great. Leave a comment in the box below. Love to hear from you. Some feedback would be great. And don't forget, please click the description directly below the video and get access to my free 4-day training series. And that will help you get started in your internet marketing business. Love to hear from you. So that's the end of today's video. Hopefully see you in the next one. See you soon now. Bye-bye.